This is Frankie.
I'm Vicky. I'm Vicky.
And who am I?
I'm Mama Vicky.
And I'm Mama. And we're going to be doing a marbleizing milk painting.
Yeah.
So the ingredients we need are lab goggles, food coloring, dish soap, a tool, milk, and paper. What's you want to? Okay, when it comes time to use that, you can pour it in. So the first step is the milk, okay?
Milk.
And look, you're getting it on your hands, Frankie. Food coloring. Oh, don't wipe it on your clothes. Food coloring is dangerous. Okay, so the first step, milk.
Yeah.
Frankie's gonna help me pour it in the tray here. All right. So what we do is we're filling this tray right here.
Yeah,
Frankie has a tendency to eat this stuff. I guess it's milk, so we can eat it. The next step, Frankie's favorite pot, the food coloring.
Yeah, milk.
You just do a couple drops, babe.
Yeah.
Just gentle. Like 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So we're gonna do 3 drops of blue food coloring.
I will raise.
3 drops of the red food coloring.
1,
2, 3. Good job, honey. And then 3 drops of
raise. More raise.
yellow, orange.
Orange.
Yeah, do one there. And then do one maybe right there. All right, and then we need 3 drops of soap. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Whoa.
Whoops. So we're getting some pretty little designs here.
Yeah. Whoa.
So then the next step is to
Table.
mix it. Beautiful. All right. The next step is to float the paper, then gently lift it. So
No.
we're gonna try that. Mama's gonna help you with this because we don't put it down, we just float it.
Mama. Whoa.
Hmm.
This. I get this. I get this.
Not that pretty. What did we do wrong? Do you think we used too much milk?
Yeah.
We did all the steps right.
Mama. Mama, get it. Mama, I need Mama.
You want to try it again? All right.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Go.
All right, Frankie's floating the paper on the milk. Maybe we'll get a better design.
Yeah.
Still.
No.
Still not that nice. We either mix it too much. Maybe our milk is not good. But we were not too successful here. Frankie's showing you our experiment.
Whoa, this more carry.
So what do you think we should do, Frankie?
This. Woo.
Frankie's gonna give it another mix. Maybe we did too much food coloring. That's the problem, I think. So, that was a cute little dance. That was a cute dance. All right, we're gonna try another one now. Say bye.
Bye.
See you next time.